Hey guys, it's Jen over at worldofjencraft.com, and I am back with another Chalk Couture project. The one that we are going to be creating today uses a B-size transfer that fits perfectly in our 9 by 12 inch chalkboards. This one is called the Aiden chalkboard, and it is in the black. We also have one that is in white that I will be doing our project on today. So each month, Chalk Couture comes out with a new transfer that is available for 1 month only, and this is available during the month of February to get ready for St. Patrick's Day in March. The best part about this is as soon as St. Patrick's Day is over, you can completely wipe this clean and start with a new transfer, a new holiday, a new occasion. And I think that's one of my favorite parts about this is you can enjoy it for a little while. You can also enjoy it permanently. If you don't ever want to wash this off, you don't have to. You can give it as gifts, and they don't have to ever wash it off either. But it is nice to be able to switch these out as the holidays and different occasions come about. So I'm going to go ahead and get started here. I just wanted to go over the colors that I'm using quick. This one is evergreen, and I'm going to be putting it on the very top and bottom. And then lime is going to go on the word luck and the little shamrocks here. And this is lemon that is going to go down here for the word charm, and then I'm going to be using white for the others. So let me get this out of the way, and I'm going to pull in the white Aiden chalkboard, and I already have my transfer on here. One thing that you will want to do before you put your transfer on is, we call it fuzzing, because these transfers do stick very nicely. So what I do is I generally put it on either a towel or even the pants that I'm wearing, just to get a little bit of fuzz to put on the back of the transfer so it comes up off of the project a little bit easier. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward while I do this, because I do need to work pretty quickly, and working quickly and not being able to talk, or working quickly and talking, don't go hand in hand with me. You know, it's like walking and chewing gum or whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get working on this, and I'm going to fast forward, and then I will come back and we will peel it off and see the magic that happens. All right, let's peel this back and see the magic. Ah. This, I think, is one of my favorite parts, just to be able to pull back the transfer and see what we have underneath. Love, love, love it. So fun. Oh my gosh. How cool is that? So that's it. That is our project. Doesn't take hardly any time at all, which is another reason that I just absolutely love the Chalk Couture products and projects that you can create with this. All right, so the other thing that I wanted to mention quick that I did not at the beginning of the video is if you notice, while I was working, I had my jar of chalk paste, and even though I put quite a bit on as I was going, most of it ends up going back into the jar, so there is no waste. You use exactly what you need to create this, and then the rest goes back into the jar to be able to use for another project. So alright guys, I'm going to put a supply list at the end of this video, and if you would like to check out any of the other products that Chalk Couture has to offer, you can go to jen.chalkcouture.com, and I will also have a catalog for you to view on my website, worldofjencraft.com. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and as always, I really do appreciate you hanging out with me and sticking with me through this little journey of mine. Talk to you later. Bye.